This 2018 Jayco Octane Super Lite 260 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Avondale, Arizona, 85323 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Avondale. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8 and 96 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunkhouse, front bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.